Send us the can and we'll send it to the lab. And I'm thinking, yeah, let's see about.
No, we'll send them a video of the damage.
Yeah.
But your back fiberglass, the lights, all the way to the bottom, the small lights. It's here too. You just don't see it as prominent as the other side, but you have it here on your transmission pan.
A few little speckles on the tank.
Here. Oh yeah, the whole thing is covered.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Lights. This is a factory custom. It's number 65 of 100.
Ooh, 65 of 100.
Yeah. It's etched over.
Therefore, you don't never want to repaint nothing.
Well, what happens if you damage a panel and you have to replace it? You send this original back to Harley, and then they send you a replacement.
Wow.
Painted to match. So like if it didn't clean up, the fenders and the tanks would have to go in, and then they'd send us new fenders and tanks.
Wow. It really hit your back.
Yeah, that was
the closest to it.
Really.
That was the closest part to it.
Okay. Let me take some of the damage.
I've had the blower off a couple of times. My back fired it the other day starting it. I see the gasket hanging out, so I'm going to pull it apart for a gasket.
Oh, she'll blow a gasket quick, huh? It's all in here. Alright, she's all done. Look at that. Those tanks are perfect. Not only is the overspray gone, but it is polished. Every inch of that tank is highly polished. Same thing for the other side. And look at the instrument panel. Not only did I remove the overspray, but I polished the instrument panel itself. All the chrome is done. Look at all that chrome. I buffed it with a buffer. Oh, look at that paint. That's gorgeous. It had a lot of overspray damage on it. All these chrome pieces have been buffed, polished. Everything, all that's been polished. Alright, but yes, that right there was the part that was really slammed. The exhaust pipe was hammered, got it cleaned. Alright, Paint Overspray Removal Texas, on-site services. This Harley's done. I gotta say, this is one clean bike. 10,000 miles. She ain't even broke in, Harley, right?
Nope. We had to replace the tires because of the age before we went to Sturgis.
To be safe.
I took it down, had the 10,000 mile checkup done. I missed those.
Oh man, these tanks look so much better. You can tell the paint on the bike itself is very good. I mean, it looks like they cut and buffed it, but it, you know, it's slick as ice. Whew. All right, there's your finished product. Custom Harley. It had protective coatings, overspray on it. Didn't bother making a video. It's too loud out here with the jets coming by every 5 minutes. It's a sweet bike. All the chrome is done. I polished the transmission pan along with every other piece of chrome on this thing. Good to go. Back to the Harley. Look at that. Every piece has been polished. Oh yeah.